If you want to cut with a safer blade, you're actually going to need a sharper blade. Did you know that sharper blades are actually safer?
Huh?
Especially when it comes to cutting tools like utility knives. I know, it's a little counterintuitive, and most people assume that dull blades are safer because they think they're less likely to cut you. But that's actually not the case at all. Hi, I'm Rachel with Ally Safety, and in today's video, we're going to cover why sharper blades are safer. So stay tuned, I promise it won't be dull. Here are the 4 simple reasons why sharper blades are actually safer. Reason number 1, sharp blades require less force to use. Take a look at this dull blade. A dull blade requires more pressure to cut, increasing the chance that the knife will slip with a lot of force behind it. Now compare that to a sharp blade. With minimal effort, it glides through the material smoothly. Reason number 2, precision cuts reduce slip-ups. A dull knife crushes and tears rather than slices. It requires more force and is more likely to slip dangerously. When you're using a sharp blade, you have better control over your cuts. This precision significantly decreases the chances of slipping accidentally and injuring yourself. You're using less force and controlling the blade throughout the cut. Reason number 3, you're actually more likely to take precautions and handle the blade better if you know that it's really sharp. Proper handling is key. So by following safety protocols and handling sharp blades with care, you can actually minimize the risk of accidents. Always cut away from yourself. But if you have to cut towards yourself, like this, make sure that you're out of the line of fire. Change out your blades frequently rather than letting them get dull. Avoid frustration, distraction, and rushing. Lastly, we have reason number 4. Now let's say you're cutting and the blade does slip. You might think that sharper blades increase the risk of serious injuries. Now there is truth that sharper blades can cut deeper and faster, so we don't want to ignore that risk. However, if the blade is sharp, you're going to be using less force already and have more control when it does slip. That actually reduces the severity and likelihood for serious injury. Additionally, doctors say when it comes to healing wounds, clean cuts made with sharp instruments create smooth edges in the skin or tissue. These edges are much more easily aligned during wound closure, which results in faster and more efficient healing. It's more challenging for the body to repair tissues with jagged edges, which leads to a higher risk of scarring and infection. That's actually why the scalpels used in surgery are so sharp. They help the wound to heal better. So that's why sharper blades are safer. Remember to prioritize sharpness, precision cutting, and of course, safety when it comes to using utility knives. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. As always, take care and stay safe. Hi. Rachel from Ally Safety here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the Ally Safety Toolbox Talk membership at allysafety.com. There you'll find an entire library of videos that are created to make safety entertaining. I'll see you there at allysafety.com.